Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I would like to share with you my upcoming online class for August 2023. In this class, we will be creating 6 handmade cards with your choice of stamp set. I will be making my cards with the Cheerful Daisies and the Color and Contour stamp sets. You will also need the coordinating dies for the stamp set you choose. See the product list below in the description. You can choose which set you want to use or pick one that you already own. Look for images that work well with bright, fun colors. We will also be learning some fun ways to use the Soft Pastels assortment pack from Stampin' Up. There are 3 different techniques we will learn, and I will show you multiple ways to use them. I hope you decide to join me. It will be a great class with beautiful cards. To sign up for this class, please go to my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link is below in the description. I am excited to share these cards with you today, so let's go check them out now. Here are the cards we're going to be creating in this fun class. We will be learning how to use Versamark ink, sponge daubers, blender pens, and watercolor painters with the Soft Pastels. I love the different looks that you can achieve with each of these techniques. As you can see, all 6 card layouts work well with many different floral stamp sets. If you want, you can make these cards with stamp sets that you already own. You will want to look for 2-step stamp sets that have separate outline and solid floral images that kind of work together. I love the bright color combinations and the versatility that floral cards can give you. You can change the greetings to get birthday, wedding, or thinking of you, depending on your needs. This class will run from Monday, August 7th through Saturday, August 12th. We will meet each day during the week to create one of the 6 cards. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for the sessions during the week, or they can watch the replay videos at their leisure. The class fee is $35. You can register through my blog, creativechelsea.com. The direct link is below in the description. Registration for this class closes on Monday, July 24th, so sign up as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial only option. This kit will include cardstock, card bases, and envelopes. There will be no pre-cut shapes included in this kit. It will also include a new pack of the Simply Elegant gold and silver trim, as well as a new pack of the brushed brass butterflies. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. It includes everything except for the gold and silver trim and the butterfly embellishments. You can purchase as many of either kits as you would like. Get the details on my blog. Please note that I reserve the right to switch products based on availability. Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the design. All of my online classes are done through a private Facebook group. In this group, we will have 6 Facebook Live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time each day during the week. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the card and show you the techniques needed. If you are able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will stay in the group so that you can watch the replay at any time. I will also be posting written PDF instructions for each card in the group. If you are not on Facebook, you can still participate through email. After each session, I will send you a link to watch the replay along with the PDFs with step-by-step instructions. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store and use the host code provided on my blog. You will want to choose a stamp set. I recommend the Cheerful Daisies and the Color and Contour. And you will also want to make sure you get the coordinating dies. So the Cheerful Daisies can be purchased right now as a bundle with the dies. And the Color and Contour, you will need to purchase them separately. So it's the Color and Contour stamp set and then the Scalloped Contours dies. And those go together. You will also want to have the Countryside Corners bundle. This is the bundle that's going to create those really fun shapes that we're using on our cards. Let me give you an example. So this shape here. Now, if you are using the Color and Contour stamp, then you could use these rectangle labels instead of the Countryside Corners, but that's a choice that you get to make. So, and if you also have maybe a different label set that you would rather use, you can do that as well. So I guess this is more of an optional item, but I will be using them on my cards. You will also want to have the Soft Pastel Assortment Pack from Stampin Up. We will be doing a little bit of heat embossing, so you'll want a heat tool. I like to use an embossing buddy, and you can find this in the Embossing Additions toolkit, as well as some white embossing powder. And this is part of the Basics embossing powders. You will also need a range of ink pads. You are going to want to have Poppy Parade, Crushed Curry, Granny Apple Green, Night of Navy, Gorgeous Grape, as well as some Versamark ink. And then some extra tools that you want are some sponge daubers. You will want to have a blender pen, as well as some water painters. And I really like the wide brush for the techniques we're going to be doing in this class. And then you'll also want to choose an embossing folder. I am using this pack of 3D basic embossing folders. It does come with the 3 different, but you can choose any embossing folder that you want. And you just really need to have one, but I'm going to be using all 3. I am so excited for this class and hope that you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, creativechelsea.com. And the link is below in the description. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.